The basic topology required for you to know before you start downloading the basic requirements is that you need to download first thing, which is the hypervisor. So it is the hypervisor that will serve as the virtual environment where you put all your virtual machines in terms of the Kali Linux, which is going to be your own main virtual machine, and also the metasploitable as the vulnerable machine. So you want to go all the way to search for VMware download for Windows 11 in my case. So you can just type VMware download for your device, and the very first search result. To streamline it, you can just put free download, so you can see the download for free and click on that. So now you see VMware Workstation Player. So you make sure that you see this download for free, because you want to start with the free version. So you click on this download for free to get started. So after that, you come to a new page where you select go to downloads to get started with your download. So all the way down, you can select your device. But for my own case, I think it automatically selected identify my device. You can see right here. So Windows 64-bit operating system, because I am using 64-bit operating system. So I'm just going to go here and download. As you can see, this is the file size 577.06 and it's downloading. I already downloaded this, so I'm going to just cancel the download. So after downloading, you have to unzip the file, then install. The installation step is not hard, so just click on install, and after you follow the process, you must have installed the VMware application. So for my case, so after installation, this is how VMware Workstation 17 player looks like. So so this is where you arrive at. So if you have successfully installed the application, you want to come right here and upload the Kali Linux and also the Metasploitable. So the next thing is to go and search for Kali. You can search for Kali Linux download, or you just search for Kali, or go directly to their website, which is kali.org. So you can see Kali Linux, just click on that. Alright, so this is kali.org, so I'm going to just click on download. So it's going to direct me to the download page. So on the download page, you can see option for installer images and also virtual machines. So I want to select virtual machine. So I'm selecting virtual machine because I'm using VMware, and you can toggle between 64-bit and 32-bit depending on your operating system. So in my own case, I'm using 64 bits operating system, so I'm going to go with 64-bit. Then come right here to download the VMware version of the Kali Linux. So I'm going to go right here and click on download. You can see the file size is around 2.7 gig. Okay, so as you can see, the file is downloading and it is right here. I already downloaded this, so I'm just going to cancel the download, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So after you might have downloaded that, you want to make sure that you unzip the file. So though the original file size is 2.7 gig, after downloading, you can see this is the file. Is around 2.9 when I downloaded it. And after unzipping the file, if I check the details, properties, you see that the size is going to amount to around 12.8 gigabytes when you unzip the Kali Linux. So you can see that's the power of zipping a file. The file went smaller than the size you get when you unzip the file. So you want to unzip the file, and if I open it up, you can see this is how it looks like. So don't worry about this, because I'm going to walk you through how to install that. So after you might have extracted that, you want to go right into your VMware workstation. So right inside the VMware workstation, they already have this Kali Linux there. But if you don't have yours, when you have the home, you want to select this player, go all the way to file and click on open. Okay, so you want to go to where you have your file for Kali Linux. It is good you put it on your desktop. So you can put the file on your desktop and unzip it there. So go all the way to the folder you have unzipped, then you can open it up. Now you're going to see just one file. If I try to show the details, you see something like VMware virtual machine configuration. So the file size is 4 kilobytes. The size should range around 3 to 4 kilobytes, yes. So this is what we need. You're going to just click on this and click open. Okay, so after you do that, it's going to open up the VMware workstation, and you can go all the way to edit the virtual machine settings. Okay, so you want to keep the memory for the Kali Linux to around 4 gigabytes, but I'm just going to put it to around 2 gigabytes. Also, you want to set the processor to 2. If it's on 4, you can reduce it to 2. So the hard disk is okay. Okay, the sound card and display. You want to leave all of these as it is as default, so you click on OK. Alright, so now I have the Kali Linux on my VMware. So I've actually loaded the machine configuration. So now I can click on play virtual machine to launch the Kali Linux. So you can see Kali Linux is already starting. Okay, Linux is loading, and this is just how simple and easy it is. So I've successfully installed the virtual machine on the hypervisor. So you can see it's loading initial RAM disk. So it's loading. If everything works fine, it's going to direct us to where we're going to log in to Kali. So directly. It's showing some notification, but you just want to ignore all of that. Okay, so let's exercise a little bit of patience for Kali to open. So it's almost done loading, and now we've successfully opened our virtual machine. So it's almost done. All right, success. So you can see Kali login. So it's loading the login page. All right, so it's almost done loading. Actually taking a little bit of time. I don't know why it's quite delayed by now. It ought to pop up the login page. You just log into Kali Linux. All right, perfect. So we have the login page. You can just enter for the first time Kali for username and Kali for password, and just click on login. All right, successfully I've logged into Kali. So it's just going to open a virtual machine now. So this is going to be our main virtual machine. And the next thing is to download the Metasploitable and as well open it up in the VMware workstation. So let's just see how the Kali environment looks like. It's loading right now. You just need to exercise a bit of patience for it to load your machine correctly. Please take note that you must have enabled virtualization in your BIOS for your PC to be able to use the virtualization technology. Take note of that. You must have enabled that. If you need a tutorial on that, I'm going to probably drop it after this tutorial. If you're having any issues with opening up the Kali after installation, just let me know so I can walk you through and guide you on how to set up the virtual environment, get it enabled on your PC. I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm recording this in the middle of the night, so I'm sorry about that. Actually, I guess it's not opening up the final environment, but that is how to launch and open your Kali. So it's not opening it up because I think it's because I'm using a screen recorder. for the purpose of this class. So I'm just going to stop this for now and walk you through how to install the vulnerable machine. Is going to be Metasploitable 2, and how to open it up in VMware workstation as well. So see you in the next tutorial.